What's up, guys? Today I got something kind of exciting. I got a piece for my exhaust for the Evo that came in the mail a couple days ago, like last week. But right now I'm going to quick do an oil change on my daily. I got everything set up already. So I'm going to quick do that, and then I'm going to head to the UPS store and go pick up the rest of my exhaust, and I'll take you along with me. So I just finished up everything with the oil change. Obviously fine, it's just an oil change. But I'm headed over now to the UPS store. They said my package should be there like 6:30, 7 o'clock. It's 6:30 now, it takes like 45 minutes to get there, so that'll give them time to definitely have it there, so I'm not waiting there forever. But I'll update you guys when I get there with the packages. So it's now the next day, and I made some phone calls and I figured out what was going on, and it actually turned out that the my second downpipe was getting shipped by FedEx and not by UPS, who the other pieces were getting shipped from. So I actually got that today. So I'm going to show you everything that I have now. So I'm going to go over everything now. First I have the downpipe off the Turbo, which is an AMS wide mouth downpipe, and this thing is absolutely massive. It's going to be a ton of exhaust flow. Has this nice flex pipe because it's gonna have to kind of go like that. So it's more like a galvanized stainless steel to help with the rusting and everything like that, or any type of heat. I might actually heat wrap this too. But this thing is absolutely massive. I can't even get over it, and it's gotta be at least 25 pounds. The next thing is, it's an ATP Turbo 3-inch catless downpipes. Is the secondary one. This one has two bungs, one for an O2 sensor and then one for a wideband, or whichever way they go. But so actually does the AMS downpipe. So I have one for an O2 sensor and then one for a wideband. So luckily the AMS downpipe came with a bung, so I'm going to plug one of those up, and then I'll actually have to get another bung for this wideband, because my test pipe as well has a wideband bung on it. So I'll have to plug that one up, and then I might plug all three up because my access port can read my AFRs. But this one didn't actually come with any flanges or anything, which is fine because I have other flanges and I can order them. Like this one came with one to butt up to that, and then I have one for my test pipe For this I have another flange, so I have all the flanges and everything I'll need and all the hardware, which is fine. This one I'm not super happy with. I mean, it's 3-inch catless, and I believe all of the products are 304 stainless steel. So this one looks pretty good as well. All the welds look good, but just have to see how it holds up. They all look like hand welds. Might be able to focus in here and see. So they look pretty good. The last part is the GReddy RS catback. I went with that just because it was cheap and it's really all going to sound the same. So this as well has no resonator. It's going to be a full straight pipe exhaust. My test pipe as well is an ETS 3-inch catless test pipe, so it's going to be really loud. But these welds are all, they look like machine welds. They're all too perfect to really be a person's weld. But it all looks really good. I mean, this is a simple part that's just kind of more the mid pipe to it. And then the muffler itself is absolutely massive. I mean, it looks like the typical, fart can exhaust, but this one should sound really good. It's got a huge, I think, 4-inch tip on it, and then the muffler itself is massive. The only thing, try and get you to see, right there, it must have gotten a dent during shipping. But I'm not too upset about it because these are the top hangers, obviously, so it'll be tucked up in, so you won't ever see that dent. But if you can, I might, call up GReddy and see what they can do for me. These welds look great as well. Yeah, see them there. These ones look perfect as well. Everything looks really good, really solid. So there's everything. The AMS 3-inch catless downpipe. It's got a nice flex pipe and everything. I'm really happy with this. The ATP Turbo 3-inch catless downpipe. The secondary downpipe, the test pipe, is actually with the car. I bought that used. Then here is from the test pipe back to the muffler, and then obviously the muffler in this thing is just gigantic. So that's going to do it for today's video, guys. I know I haven't put one out for a while, so I wanted to try and get something together. Hopefully this was maybe not helpful, but maybe a little bit entertaining to you guys. I'm hoping to get the car inspected soon. Once I get it fixed, I got to take it to a dealership to have them do it because I believe it's an immobilizer issue. So once I get that all taken care of and get inspected, I will throw all this on. I'll make sure I do a video on that, and because I really want to hear how this all sounds and hear how that really opens up the Evo and everything. So, if you enjoyed the video, consider leaving a like. Comment down below what you think. I'll leave all the parts. I'll leave a link to them all in the description and everything like that. So like I said, consider subscribing, anything like that. It would really help me out. And have a great day.